Okay guys, so we have the S25 Ultra case. This one is a standing grip case. Let's see how to open this one. It's pretty difficult. Why they're not making things like Apple, like easy to take out? The unboxing experience should also. Oh, this looks nice. Okay, and this is kind of transparent from the sides. And how do you do this? Oh, it's nice. Let's take out this one. Slap the case in. It's nice. It's nice, snappy. Wow. Looks good. This looks comfortable. Can do this. There's a so you can hold your phone like this without any, hassle. Do it like this. Nice. This is one nice case. What's up in the box? We can see over here, nothing. The box. But overall, now this looks nice. I thought this is gonna be bulky and kind of stuff, but this is nice. This is nice stuff.